Hello, so yesterday I was modeling low-power fire animation. Actually, I did the first part only, so the original video you can find in my YouTube channel if you want to make basic animation of fire. And actually, the animation of this fire will be listed in my Patreon and Contribui websites if you want to support the channel. I will be very grateful. I prefer Contribui because it charges a little bit less. So I won't show the entire process, but only I will describe how I did that. Alright, so the main mesh, the bottom one, I subdivided a few times and moved the middle face downwards. As you see, right now fire goes up, but not straightly, a little bit like a triangle form, so I guess it looks more natural. Also, I increased animation length up to 400, and also in particle system I changed frame start and frame end for both particles, and actually changed color. Find RGB color in Google. Also, I created another mesh for smaller fire. Also divided this mesh. Actually, almost the same as the bottom one, just color a little bit changed. And also I scaled cubes, and in this setting you can find here, and also lifetime 40 for this mesh, lifetime is 80. Alright, and also I created another mesh which allows to create smoke, ashes. This mesh wasn't divided, it is a single mesh. Actually, the gray color. And also for this mesh I increased lifetime up to 400. As you can see, it controls the length, the height of the animation, and frame start, frame end, the same as the previous ones. And actually for this particle system I increased randomize setting because I think smoke goes not so straightly but a little bit more randomly. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching, and actually I have idea. If you want to improve the scene a little bit more, you can add a wind. Can find a wind and try to make more natural smoke. Sometimes if outside there's a wind, smoke goes not so straightly but to the side. So if you want to improve, you can try to play these settings. Thank you for watching, as I said before, and see you next time.